this part here, you only use first 4 non-zero. I usually don't really like this non-zero thing here because sometimes you have zero term here. So anyway, I'll write down the range of value of x for the expansion to be valid. Now the first thing is to understand this validity is all in MF26. A Maclaurin series is one of a topic in H2-Math, right? If you know how to use the Maclaurin MF26 properly, right, you can just conquer the whole topic. Like there's nothing more than whatever is whatever provided in MF26 is more enough. There are only two expressions with validity. These two, this and this only. Okay, so only this and this has validity. The rest is all real value. So you don't care about applies to these two functions here. Is that okay? So remember that. Now, how do we use the validity? Actually, we can settle the validity first. That one is the easiest. Okay. This one, E 3x squared ln 1 minus 3x. Okay. I'm going to bring out the exponential function. Yeah. I'm going to bring out the log. Right. Okay, great. Great. Excuse me. So this is what is going on. For the validity, the exponent here is all x real value. So it really doesn't matter what you substitute in. So that is okay. For the ln one, because you sub x as negative 3x, right? Any issue there? In other words, your validity here also will sub as minus 3x. So for ln 1 minus 3x to valid, we have minus 1 less than minus 3x less than 1. Okay. Okay, just from MF26. I repeat, the validity no need to memorize one is from MF26. No need to memorize anything. So this case here, you divide by minus 3, so you get x. Okay, so validity settled. Okay, because this is this ex is x real value. So sometimes if you have both actually x real value and this lah. So if you take all real value, of course it's just this. So you don't really care about it. That's the validity. So anyway, we can just do this part here. I'm gonna sub ex as 3x squared. I just expand more than I need now. So then later we'll see. Just key in calculator. They want the first 4. Oh my goodness. Wow, tiring. Wow, that's fast. Okay. Wow, that's fast. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Doesn't have the validity. Please add the validity there.